Welcome to Miglio 5792. In this video, we're going to explore the furniture factory and find out what's behind the furniture making. Our factory is located in Guangdong Province, China, with 35,000 square meters of production workshop. It is the origin of furniture, as well as the birthplace of our craftsmanship and innovation emerged. Our furniture products are mainly exported overseas. We have customers across more than 20 countries in Europe and America. We provide high-end furniture for the high-end home market. Step into the factory plant, and you will find that every worker dedicates to furniture making. Every procedure has been drummed over into polishing and quality inspection. Rigorously we adhere to environmental criteria by the use of high-quality materials. We strive to ensure that every product is compliant with our standards. Therein, we dedicate ourselves to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of every single piece of furniture, and we are committed to putting up high-quality home products for you. Our team can provide customization services and furniture designs for interior decoration use, to agree with the specific needs of consumers, and differences in components, dimensions, and colors. Want to know more about furnishing? Please feel free to contact us. Our factory sincerely awaits you.